Bob from Opus IVS. We're talking about the ScanSafe tool. It's a small package, but it packs a punch. Tell us a little bit about it.
This is the comprehensive, as you talked about, scanning, estimating, and it provides that level of expert support. So what we did, we took a bunch of different tools and combined them into one platform. Everybody looks for kind of the magic wand, and this is the device that allows you to take the most inexperienced person in the shop, teach them how to begin doing pre-scans, simple tasks, and then evolve to the next levels, which is whether it be programming and support. But if they get stuck, we have IVS 360 to help them out.
Now, one thing I love about this tool is, again, like you said, it's got a quick scan. So tell us a little bit about the quick scan. We'll kind of work our way up. So tell us first about the quick scan.
This quick scan gets us that information as a baseline to the collision. So what is the current condition of the vehicle? Were there any pre-existing fault codes? What are the current fault codes? And those types of pieces of information can help us figure out, what are the next steps of the vehicle.
So we'll plug this in, power it up, do our quick scan, capture our codes, and it integrates right with CCC workflow?
Correct. So 3 to 5 minutes typically. So we power up the device, we pull the VIN number, we scan the vehicle, and then we purchase the report, and that automatically goes into the repair order in CCC.
Okay. Now, if I want to go a step further, now there's also an OEM scan option. Tell us about that.
Correct. OEM scan's perfect for the position statement strategy. So if you're a Honda Select shop, you're a Nissan shop, GM, and you need to comply with their standards, we'll be able to perform that factory level scan using the OE software and give you a report that comes right from the OE. It can also be used to help you solve problems like on the Chrysler Gateway module, where you need a special credential in order to eliminate those codes. That's what OE Scan is there for.
And one thing I absolutely love about this is, as a technician, if I get stuck along the way, you can help me there too.
That's the gem. That's the key to the whole device is no matter what your skill level is, we've got 150 brand experts ready to help the shop out and take care of any of those questions. You don't know what a fault code means? We can help you by telling you what it means. Is it applicable? Is it creating any issues with that related collision?
And to take it even a step further, this thing will do programming as well?
Yes. There are times when you need to program a module, and utilizing that OE software, we're able to do that particular function on your behalf. You don't have to click any buttons other than calling an 800 number, scheduling an appointment, and our experts will take charge and provide that coding and programming needed.
Now, you mentioned everyone's looking for that magic wand, and certainly there's really not a magic wand, but this thing comes pretty close.
It comes pretty close. I mean, and that's really, a year and a half of working through the design and evolution of it, working specifically with collision shops. This is not a device that we built for a mechanical repair shop. It is specifically built for a collision shop that has a variety of skill sets within the shop.
Yeah, and that's what I love about it. It integrates into that estimating software. Great tool for your blueprinting process, all the way through the repair.
Keep it simple, right?
That's awesome.
Keep it simple and easy.
Well, that's why we think it's a cool tool. So where do I go if I want to find out more information about this?
Quick and easy. You go to opusivs.com. We have a complete web page that's dedicated to the ScanSafe product, give you all the information you need, and quick access to someone who can answer any question that you have.
Thanks, Bob.